Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my new vlog video. So today is 24th of September 2025 and today I have come here at Jamshedpur. Here is some event conducted by Kurj Hotel and you can see guys that so different companies come and participate here, and this is our Himalaya Enterprises. And you can see guys, there is a 3 certificate ISO 4001 and here is 9001, and this is a jet certificate, and this we have one in MS AMI runner up. So you can see guys, so we have also participated here, and this is our components. You can see those
all the major OEMs in how to grow the businesses further. A warm welcome to all the exhibitors.
It lost its sheen for reasons beyond.
This initiative is slightly driven initiative. So that the momentum internally what it is going to pick up is really going to be useful to all of you. So with that note, we are curious to see so many opportunities and look appropriate technologies of integrated company. We make our own clutches, we make our own bimetal bushes, we make our own engines for tractors. So that kind of it is a backward integrated company. And the brand names like Higginbotham's and Stains are our almost 60 years or 70 years old brands. And especially, as I told, cultivating the world is our mission. So we would like to be the first choice of any farmer in the globe. So that is our vision. And our core values are, I pick up few core values. So we strongly believe in business ethics. So especially in that way, you can be very transparent. You can expect that we also be very transparent. Every dealing would be off the table. And also, right from top, our chairman to anybody in the company, we insist upon the business ethics. And trust and long-term relationship is another core value. Whenever we onboard a supplier,